Now that you've unzipped your file, go ahead and open the index-template.html page to take a look at what it looks like. Now you see the template home page, and it has a banner at the top and some information underneath there, a spot where you can put your name, your title, the degrees that you've earned, your address of where you're at, the Western Michigan University link for the website, and even a spot where you can put your email address. Also at the bottom you see some extra links that you can use in the future to link to other pages. And if you have a photo of yourself, you can swap that with the little placeholder that's there also. Go ahead and go to the folder where you unzipped the template, and you're going to basically see those files that had unzipped. We're going to select the index-template. We're going to say open with, and then if you don't see Notepad there, you can do choose default program. So go ahead and choose that. Window will pop up. We're going to select Notepad, uncheck always use this selected program, and then hit OK. And then you'll see your code come up. Now we're going to start changing some of the code in Notepad. The first thing we're going to do is in the title tags, we're going to update WMU to our name, so we'll say our name homepage. The next line of code that we want to look for is where it says your name here. It's going to be a little ways down. Go ahead and select that and put your name in there. And then where you see your title, go ahead and put your real title in there. I'm going to go ahead and enter my bachelor's degree in here. And I'll go ahead and get rid of whatever else that I'm not going to use. Next, I'm going to put in the beginning of my address here on campus. And under that you see it has the website to Western Michigan University, and that should be fine to leave as is. The next thing I'm going to change is my phone number. I'll go ahead and put the generic phone number in here. If you have a fax, you can do that. If not, go ahead and delete that out. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to enter in our email information. So we want to highlight where it says your westmich.edu email address, and we'll go ahead and put our email address in there. That way the person visiting our page can see what our real address is. And after we get that part entered in, we're going to change the mail to command and put that same email address in there too. Now to the right of that you see where it says subject equals, and it says from your home page. That's what will get sent as the subject in the mail to command. You can leave that as is if you're happy with that. The rest of this stuff is those links. You can use those at a future date. They're not going to work right now, but they may be just left there for if you want to use them in the future, or you can delete them, it's fine. Now we want to do a file save as, and this is very important. We want to save this as index.html, so we'll erase that end part. And then we want to select all files, and this part's very important to do before we save, because then it'll allow us to save it as an HTML file versus a text file. Now go back to where you had your file saved, and you'll notice the index-template page is there, and then our new index.html page that we just created is now there, and that's our actual home page. Go ahead and double click that, and that'll open in a web browser, and this stuff is running just on our machine right now. It's not actually on the web yet. You can see all the information that you had updated in Dreamweaver, and all the links and stuff and everything is there. What our next step is going to be is moving now this page to the web server using an FTP tool in step 3.